What advice would you give folks that want to be where you are, that just maybe don't even, so let's say that to the people who don't have a VA, probably your advice would be get a VA, right? The sources for you.
Well, yeah. So like find out what, like, take, I'm big on, like, this answer is probably going to go all over the place, but
okay.
Just rein me in. But I'm not a big fan of like, find the thing that you hate and outsource it. Right. Mm-hmm. Like what I think that you should do is almost like put a ROI on your tasks. Mm-hmm. Like for me, repricing is like one of the most intricate and one of the highest value tasks that I can do. Okay. Because it can make or break a business. So like if I'm going to value my time at whatever dollars per hour, repricing is a bargain because I can make 10x that if I spend an hour repricing. On the other hand, like on the far opposite end, you've got prepping or packing boxes, polybagging shoes or whatever. Yeah. Like anyone can do that. It's a minimum wage job. And so it's not a good use of my time. Yeah. So if someone's trying to scale, like if someone's trying to like find out where they should, kind of work themselves out of, you should look at what you enjoy, but you should also look at like, hey, what are the highest value tasks that I can keep? And then what are those low value tasks that I can you actually make more money by outsourcing it.
Yes, you do.
Like you pay someone $5 an hour or $6 an hour to find products for you. Yeah. And you can make $200 or $300 an hour by buying those products.
Yes.
And it's just a math problem.
It is.
Yeah. And so that's like one part of that answer. The second part is really like, I think there's like three main things where people struggle with to go from whatever number makes sense to you so like if you're at 10 or 20,000 and you want to get to 100,000, I think it comes down to three things. I think the first is capital. Like you have to have the right amount of capital and the right type of capital with the right structure. The second is confidence, right? Yes, so like you have to know and be confident in your processes that you've built, the team that you have in place. You have to be confident in your prep center. Like you have to be confident in your account health to have, 50 grand of inventory on the road. And then your third one is just, you can say continuous improvement or just consistent execution, right?
So three C's right there.
Yeah. So
capital, confidence, continuous improvement.
Yeah. So like you need to always be getting better and always take the time to kind of zoom out of your business, like get out of the trenches and look at what went well, what didn't go well, and learn. So this is like definitely not a stagnant business.
Right.
This is an incredibly like fluid business, and we're going into probably the most fluid time of the year. Yeah. So you need to be spending some time daily, weekly, monthly. Like, hey, what can I do better? What mistake can I not make again?
Yeah.